Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Wari, a third year BTech student from the Department of Cybersecurity and Data Science at Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Pune. I, along with my team members Shahu Sartar and Swayam Chinse, have developed a project titled InsightZ NPTEL Report Generator under the guidance of our HOD and mentor Dr. Deepika Ajalkar ma'am. In this project, we will showcase our in-depth overview of our project, the implementation process, detailing the concept, and the development process as well. Our aim is to showcase the technical aspects of our project. So let's start. So let's see what actually InsightZ is about. So InsightZ is a no-nonsense data app which helps the NPTEL coordinators to spend countless hours managing the semester results and the enrollment data using the traditional spreadsheets. So our system or our project is a unified solution for this by building an end-to-end dashboard service. So it is a tool to eliminate the manual data, downloading and extraction of the NPTEL data into intuitive reports. So let's see the current flow of the NPTEL coordinator. So NPTEL coordinator gets the result data. He or she receives it. Multiple data files are there. Then they have to combine it manually, and the important process came that is data analysis, which is performed manually by them, and it is a very time consuming process. And then they have to make a separate report file of it for the presentation to the stakeholders. So this current workflow is very laborious, limited visualization is there, it is very time consuming, and it can also lead to errors, and it is ineffective. So our solution InsightZ, what it does is we provide three-step solution. First is you have to upload your Excel files, that means the data that you have for each semester. So you can upload as many files that you want. It will generate the report by cleaning the data and analyzing that automatically. So we have made a pre-processor module for it, which is DataForge. And then in the third step, it will generate an interactive dashboard for you. So that means no spreadsheets and no manual work is required for that. So key features. So we have automated data processing. As I told you, we have made a pre-processor module for that, which cleans the data, and we just have to upload the data files and it will generate the report. Then second is it generates an interactive dashboards, means it has various graphs and files, data, insights. So then we have it as user friendly. That means it is a no nonsense app. We have not used any algorithms like knife based or anything else. We just have developed a very simple and intuitive interface for the NPTEL coordinators. So this is the system architecture you can see. We'll just move forward. So yes, what we have used is we have used Plotly visualizations, Pandas library for data analysis, and we have built it with Streamlit, and it just eliminates the Excels and report file making also. So I told you about the DataForge, which is a custom preprocessor module. And this is the dashboard, which looks like. I'll also show you the dashboard afterward. And this is the future score. We can add a recommender system to it that will suggest the best courses that the students can take or the candidates can take. And second is we can manage and view the NPTEL registered students, their performance, their results directly on the dashboard also. Third is we can build an open source API that will just offer to the institutions for their existing college management systems. This is the report generator. And that's it. I'll show you the development process of it also. So let's move on to that side. So let's dive into the actual implementation of the InsightZ. So here you can see I have opened VS Code. Here, this is the pre-processor module. Okay. Here it will just clean the data, pre-process the data, and this is the code for it. It will drop unnecessary columns and present absent data and all those things, and it will segregate the data as a faculty and students. So again, we have made the two pages for it, enrollment analysis and the result analysis. Enrollment analysis is under development for now. We have made the result analysis. So this is the result analysis code. After that, home.py is the main file. We'll run this. Requirements are this. Matplotlib, Plotly, these are the libraries that we have used. So let's run this. So we are activating HPMV, the environment, and Streamlit will run home.py. So let's see the project website. It will open the Streamlit web app. So here you can see the home page. It's just a text about how to use this app. So first we have to upload the files and view the main data. It will generate the report and we can export the data, which is coming soon. It is under development. So first we have to select the app. So for that, I'm selecting result analysis. It's taking time. Okay. So now it will tell you to upload the result files. So we'll browse the files and we'll upload our Excel sheets. So I have this Excel sheet. I'll upload the 2 Excel sheets here. It will show us file upload successfully. And this is the general loaded data. That means this 2 files data is converted into a single file that is pre-processed and that is cleaned data. So we can also download it here. And after that, we can see the dashboard, which means it has the KPIs, bar graph, and pie chart. So here you can see these 2 files that I have uploaded. The total enrollment is 1,815. The total participants are the same. So elite faculty, the student elite faculty. So this is the certification type, elite, silver, all those things. So it will just give us the number of it. The total students were this, the faculty number is this. Here you can see in the bar graph, this is the department-wise enrollment bar graph. We can see here computer science engineering department has 964 count. Okay. So these are the department-wise enrollment. The pie chart is for the top courses. We have the top course as the enhancing soft skills and personality. We have others and all those things. So we can also filter this data by using this filter by department. So the NPTEL coordinators, if they want to only analyze about the single department of, for example, information technology, IT. So he'll just select it and it will automatically generate that for that. So yeah. So total enrollment in IT department is 260. The elite faculty is 4, elite student is 132. So we can just analyze this and we can make out the insights. So one good feature of this InsightZ is that the ability of it to refresh the data and it just boosts the operational efficiency of it as well. It just eliminates the manual data. We can also see the enrollment analysis here. It is under development. So we are still tweaking about this. And that's it. So this is how InsightZ report generator is. It cuts out the manual data. It saves the time of the NPTEL coordinators, and that's it. So our goal was to make the data analytics more accessible to the educational NPTEL coordinators, and I think we have achieved that with InsightZ. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you very much.